So we'll go into some of the details in this Karcher K7 power washer. So detergent bottle on the top. We have the hose and the lance. This is easy connected in. So it's just a matter of pushing it into place and it clicks into place. Telescopic holder. And it's also put next to it here for storage. Integrated hose reel, which is fully winding up, so it's integrated on the machine. Storage occasion for the power cord. This big robust wheels. Everything you want in a power washer. Really easy to move around. 16 kilos, but still very easy to maneuver. So here we can see the vario power lance. Let's just pull this trigger. Now we can see this is lit up, and this gives you pressure settings. So reduce your pressure using the minus button, and increase it using the plus button. So this is a vario power lance, and then we've also got the dirt blaster lance, which connects onto this. So you can easily disconnect and add in your patio washer. Easily reconnect, and it's also got really easy, soft, medium, hard surface cleaning, and you can change this just by turning this like so, and that's it back. I'll show you these settings outside later. So let's get a look at this Karcher K7 in action. So we switch it on. Hear the pressure adjusting. Hold fire again. Just turn it to medium.